up guys, Andrew from Some Guy with Tools. Today we're going to be doing a little head-to-head testing. We're going to put the HILTI SR 30-A36 up against the Milwaukee 2821-20. Alright, both of these are the newest and best models from the manufacturers. The HILTI comes in at 7.3 pounds bare versus 6.8 pounds bare. 2,800 strokes per minute at 1 1/4 versus 3,000 strokes per minute at 1 1/4. The HILTI bare tool comes in at $339 and the Milwaukee 2821-20 is $199. So let's check out the tests and we'll be right back. Ready? Go. Set, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Set, go. Set, go. Ready, go. Set, go. The Milwaukee 2821-20 is going to come out on top in this one in a total amount of 87.4 seconds versus the 180.7 seconds of the HILTI SR 30-A36. The Milwaukee does come in for $140 cheaper and gets the job done a lot quicker, and I'd be willing to bet that a lot of you are already on the Milwaukee M18 battery platform. If you like this video, I would appreciate you subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up.